There are two forms of income statement, the functional form and the natural form. The functional form classifies expenses according to their function. That is, as to whether they are part of cost of sales, distribution cost, administrative expenses, or other activities. No wonder the functional form is also known as cost of sales method. In contrast, the natural form aggregates or groups expenses according to their nature and does not classify them among the various functions within an entity. Meaning, expenses are not classified as cost of sales, distribution cost, administrative expenses, and other activities. Rather, expenses of the same nature are grouped together. For example, all depreciation expenses, whether depreciation of office building or of store building or of office equipment or store equipment, are aggregated and shown as one item. An entity using the functional presentation is still required, however, to disclose additional information about the nature of expenses. That is done through the notes to financial statements. This is an example of a functional form income statement. Notice that the expenses are classified as to whether they are part of cost of sales, administrative expenses, distribution cost, finance cost. Students must memorize this. Net sales less cost of sales, or also known as cost of goods sold, equals gross profit or gross income. Add other income to arrive at the total income. Then, less expenses, classified into administrative expenses, distribution cost, and finance cost, and even other expenses, to arrive at the net income or net loss. Notice these three: administrative expenses, distribution cost or selling expenses, and finance cost are indented, meaning written further to the right and not aligned with these expenses, because each of these three is considered part of these expenses. That is why the amount of each of these three is written not on this second money column, but on this first money column. Only the total of these three is extended to the second money column. Hence, this 2,038,437 is the total expenses, which is the amount deducted from the total income in order to arrive at this amount of net income. Notice also that there is a column here for note number, which signifies that the computation of the amount written on the right side of a note number like this 5,584,200 on the right side of this note 1 is found in that note number in the notes to financial statements.